Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into the DFU mode. Before I get started though, I am going to quickly mention a couple of things. So you will need to use the provided braided USB-C to C cable, and this is at least as far as I can tell, the only way you can boot into recovery mode and the DFU mode. And for some reason, if you try to use a normal USB-C that you might have lying around, because as an example it has a Type A side that you can plug into your older computer, you won't be able to do that, because for some reason using a normal USB-A to C that I have laying around, and I tried with several different cables, even the ones that work with Samsung, none of them wanted to allow me to boot this device into either recovery mode or DFU mode. So both of those were inaccessible to me, and only this cable works for that. Now because of that, I am limited, at least at the office right here, to use the MacBook, as this is the only computer around here that I can use that has a Type-C port on it. And as you can see, the cable is plugged in right here. So that's what I'll be using for this video, but if you have a computer, Windows specifically, that has a Type-C port on it, you should be able to do that using Windows as well. On Windows side though, you probably will need to download iTunes, as this will give you a visual indication when you have succeeded in booting the device into the DFU mode. So now, without wasting any more time, I'm going to quickly show you how to boot the device into the DFU mode and then also out of it. And I'm first going to tell you how to do it, and then I'm going to show you, as it's basically Konami cheat code that you need to enter here. So when the device is plugged in, you're going to press volume up, volume down, hold power button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you're going to add volume down to the buttons you're holding for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, you will let go of the power button. The screen will stay black at that point, but on the computer side, you will see in iTunes or in the Finder, depending on if you're using Windows or Mac, you will see that phone will show up, and it's going to show up as DFU mode. So now let's do this. Plug in. So now I'm going to press, like I mentioned, volume up, volume down, power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm holding only volume down at this point, and I'm waiting for the device to show up in Finder, and it just did. So I can let go. So just to showcase this on video, I'm gonna do this in this most ghetto way that you've probably seen. And there we go. So you can see right here, it shows up as DFU mode iPhone. So yeah, that's about it. Now, next thing will be to leave this mode, as holding power button will do absolutely nothing. So to leave this mode, you're gonna just hold, or start off with pressing volume up, then volume down, and holding power button. You're gonna hold it for like 5 to 7 seconds. So that's about 7 seconds. I'm gonna let go. I'm gonna give it a moment, and I'm gonna hold power button alone now. It looks like it's still in DFU mode. So let's try that again. Volume up, down, power. Okay, let's let go and hold again. And there we go. This time it worked. So what I'm doing is, when the device is in DFU mode, the screen is completely turned off. So by pressing volume up, down, and holding power button, you're forcing the device to forcibly turn off. Once that happens, you still need to turn it on. So that's why you then hold your power button once more. And as you can see, we are now back in our iOS. And that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.